Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here and today I'm going to share with you this unboxing video. This is a box from Rosie's studio. Rosie's studio has two new releases, so I'm super excited to share this with you. I wanted to open this box with you guys, so let's go ahead to see what's inside. I'm really super excited just because I know that in the package there is a Christmas collection. So we are in July and we are going to make projects using these products. So Christmas in July is here. So let me show you first this collection. Let me remind you something, that you can make your purchase at rosiestudio.com. You can use the coupon code Marina for your purchase, so you can have 10% off. So this is really good, and especially if you buy the value packs, it's really worth it. Just because you save from the value packs 20% and you save also 10% with the coupon code. If you combine them together, it's an absolutely perfect combination. So all the links you need for these two collections are down below in the description area. So I stop talking and I am going to show you this first collection, which is called Jubilee. So here we have 20 sheets, 20 designs and 3 fold pages. The 12 by 12 pack has 180 GSM weight cardstock, which is really thick and really sturdy, and it's something I really prefer to work with. So here we have this one. And this letters bonjour. It says bonjour. How lovely textures and designs. Look at these hearts. I really love this. I really love this collection. Oh, it has this calendar. Absolutely amazing. And of course pink. For you who know me, you know that I really love pink colors. Oh, this is so beautiful. Beautiful patterns, beautiful design, so pretty. I love butterflies as well. Pink colors here again, and this have a festive vibe, I think. This is perfect for birthday project. This is the foiled papers. I love this extra interest on the papers. So this is absolutely perfect. Here is the puffy motif stickers. Really cute and really small for smaller projects as well. This is a new addition by Rosie's Studio, which I definitely love. It's a sticker book with 6 sheets of paper, clear and washi stickers. This has over 150 stickers. Wow. Wow. These are washi ones. These are classic one stickers, and the first ones were clear stickers. Here are the clear stickers. Oh my god, this is an absolutely perfect collection. This is something new by Rosie's Studio. Wax seal embellishments. It has 15 wax seal embellishments. This is really beautiful. This is perfect for card making as well. Oh, this is a really good product. Beautiful, and they have a kind of a shimmer on them. I really love them. So next one is this chipboard embellishments. They have 2 sheets. I always love to use them in my projects, mainly in my card making videos. I make a lot of card making videos on my Instagram account. You can watch a lot of reels. This is linked also down below. So here is the puffy stickers. It contains also 2 sheets. Best wishes, happy birthday. It's perfect for birthday occasion and in general for any festive occasion. This is the die cut cardstock ephemera. It contains 132 pieces. Just take a closer look. I love this so much. These flowers, the birds, the piano, really beautiful. Here are the butterfly and bow embellishments, really cute. Here is the die cut cardstock sentiment. It contains 176 pieces. Let's have a closer look. Each and every one is absolutely gorgeous. It has also the months inside, some tags, sending love, some sentiments. And now guys, let me show you this one, which is the Peppermint Twist. This is the perfect collection for Christmas projects, and I am going for sure to make one mini album for Christmas in July. So let's see what's inside. I already know how the papers look like, but I'm so excited to see them. Okay, this is a beautiful background. Pink poinsettia flowers, really beautiful. Oh my god, this is really cute. I love the pastel colors of this collection so much. In general, I love pink Christmas. This is my favorite color to work in my Christmas projects. I love so much the pink and white poinsettia. Oh, some trees here. I think I already have. They have this texture. This is gorgeous. Follow up here. Okay. And this is also here. Is a textured paper. So pretty. You can also, guys, write me down in the comment area what project would you like to make, a folio or a mini album, maybe with chipboards. I don't know. A lot of times it's your decision of what I am going to make. So let's move on. Here is the cardstock alphabet stickers. This has a shiny look and a glitter one. These are glitter ones. Here is the sticker book with over 290 stickers. Guys, this is a must-have kit, I think. Here are some alphabet. These are clear stickers. I'm speechless. Truly, I'm speechless. This is gorgeous collection. Next one. This is the chipboard embellishments, which contains 2 sheets of these beautiful and super cute elements. These are the candy embellishments. Here is the cardstock number stickers. I could make maybe an advent calendar mini album. I think that's a good idea. Here, and next one is the die cut cardstock sentiments with 172 pieces, guys. some sentiments here, bigger ones, some tags. I really love them. Here are the chipboard frames and corners with 46 pieces. We can make shaker windows with them, and look, just look how beautiful each and every one is. These are perfect for shaker windows for our album covers. Really beautiful, guys. And last but not least, this die-cut cardstock ephemera with 110 pieces this time. Let's have a closer look. Look at this milk, how cute it is. This little deer. I really enjoy this day. So you will find these two collections. I am going to link down below the value packs, just like I showed you today. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye.